Mabuhay! I'm Carla Gabion. For our presentation, we will be discussing the Lesson 8 Global Media Cultures. Global media cultures refers to how different forms of media, such as television, movies, music, the internet, and the social media, connect people from different parts of the world. Because of globalization, media content can now easily cross national boundaries and reach audiences worldwide. Through media, people are exposed to different cultures, lifestyles, and ideas from other countries. Before we continue, let us first understand the connection between media and global integration. Today, media plays a very important role in connecting people across the globe. Through television programs, films, music, news, especially social media platforms, information can be shared quickly and easily between countries. Because of this, people from different cultures can learn about each other and become more connected. Ang process na to ay tinatawag na global integration, where nations and societies become more connected through communication, technology, and cultural exchange. For example, a movie produced in one country can be watched by millions of viewers around the world. In the same way, a viral video on social media can spread globally within just a few minutes. Now, let us move to the infographic analysis about global media trends. The infographic shows how media continues to grow and influence people around the world. One of the major trends presented is the growth of global brands and media influence. Many international media companies and entertainment industries now reach audiences from different countries. Through media platforms, these companies are able to promote their content, products, and ideas globally. Because of this, people from different parts of the world may watch the same movies, listen to the same music, or follow the same online trends. Dahil dito, nabubuo ang tinatawag na global village, where people become more connected despite geographical distance. However, the spread of global media also raises some concerns. Some powerful countries and large corporations may influence the culture and values of other societies through their media content. As a result, local cultures may sometimes be affected or replaced by global trends.